Alright, in this video I'll be comparing the two latest rugged phones from Ulefone and Cubot. The Ulefone Armor 33 Pro versus the Cubot KingKong 11. Both are 5G feature-packed rugged phones, and they're just among the best 5G rugged phones of 2025. So in this video I'll be comparing the specs of both 5G rugged phones to see which is equipped with the best specs. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both 5G rugged phones. So there you have it, guys, the Ulefone Armor 33 Pro versus the Cubot KingKong 11. The Ulefone Armor 33 Pro, in my opinion, is much more feature packed, much more better. It has a much more powerful processor. It has a large rectangular display at the back, a 3.4-inch rear display, and also it has a really loud speaker, stereo speakers, and many more, guys. It's just feature packed, but of course it's much more expensive than the Cubot KingKong 11. But this is just my personal opinion. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.